Today I'll be doing question number 7 in the momentum practice page. And question number 7 reads, Tyrell pushes .20 kilogram football in the living room and knocks over his mother's .80 kilogram antique vase. So that's the mass of the football, that's the mass of the vase, and this is all before the collision happens. So after the collision, the football bounces back with the speed of 3.9. So the speed after they hit each other for the football is going to be 3.9 meters per second. And the vase it says while the vase is moving at 2.6 meters per second. So after the collision, the vase moves 2.6 meters per second in the opposite direction. How fast did Tyrell throw the football? So to answer this question, we're going to use the elastic formula, since the objects bounce off of each other. So that's going to be M1 plus M1 times V1 plus M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equals M1 V1 prime plus M2 V2 prime. Can't fit all of it in there, but so our mass for this one, M1 is going to be 0.20. Since we're going to assign M1 and M1 V1 prime to be the football before and after. M1 V1 is the football before, M1 V1 prime is the football after. M2 V2 is the vase, M2 V2 prime is the vase after. So we're going to replace the variables with the numbers. The mass of the football was 0.20 times the velocity, which we don't know at the moment. That's what we're trying to find. Plus the mass of the vase is 0.80 times 0, because the vase was standing still at first. It wasn't moving at all. So that means its velocity is going to equal 0. So that's the first part of our equation right there. And the second part of our equation, M1 V1 prime, that's going to be 0.20, because the mass of the football always stays the same. So it's going to be 0.20 times negative 3.9. And the reason why it's negative is because the objects bounce off of each other. So one goes in one direction, the other one goes in the other direction. I'm going to make the football go in the other direction instead of the vase going in one direction. So 0.20 times negative 3.9 plus 0.80 times 2.6. So we're going to have this equation equals that equation. And we're going to try to solve for x. So after we do that, we're going to have 0.20x equals negative 0.78 plus 2.08. You add these together, you're going to get 1.3. You do 0.20x.
And so I finished at when the bell rang.
Okay. Let me delete some of this to make more space to write. It's going to be 0.20x equals 1.3. So you're going to divide both sides by 0.20, divided by 0.20. And when you do that, I can't scroll down anymore. When you divide 1.3 times 0.20, you're going to get x equals 6.5, and that's going to be the initial velocity that Tyrell threw the football, or Tyrell, or whatever the hell his name is, and that's it. Bye-bye.